Morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Got 2 days of school left. Well, 2 days of like online learning today and tomorrow, and then you're bringing your Chromebooks in Thursday, so there won't be any new online learning for Thursday and Friday. But there will be other things to do that I'll talk about on Wednesday. So today is going to kind of be just like what yesterday was, just finishing up your summative, presenting it either on the Google Hangout, Google Meet today, office hours, or on Screencast or Screencast-O-Matic, Screencastify, which I'll show you in a second. So do this survey if you haven't yet. The end of the year survey. This is just for English, so this isn't about other classes. So just click on this link; it'll bring you here, and try to just get this done by tomorrow if you can. That'd be great. There's only like 8 questions or so. Be honest and take your time on this, please. I care what you have to say. That's why I'm doing this. And yeah, one of the ones I'll talk about quick is I'm planning on having office hours still during the summer to stay in touch with all of you and kind of we can just talk and socialize and play games and stuff. Probably just once a week. And this is the day I was thinking, Thursdays from 10 to 12, but some of you said that wouldn't work, which is fine, but then try to let me know what time would work and we can kind of switch it up if that would be better for more people. So if you're interested in that, just answer honestly here, and yeah, we'll do that. It'll be fun. All right. So yeah, besides that, just continue working. You have today and tomorrow to present your presentation still. I'm going to be grading those soon. And yeah, there's a grade for the presentation and the actual project. These are the links for help and everything. All right, one thing I'm going to show you quick. If you don't want help with this, you can stop watching now. But I'm going to show you how to download Screencastify, because we were using Screencast-O-Matic and a lot of you have been having issues with not being able to download it. All right, sorry. So if Screencast-O-Matic isn't working, because some of you try to download it and it says it's blocked by administration or whatever, go to Screencastify. Just search it. I just show you quick. So I just searched it, top one here. Go to this, click Add to Chrome. It'll bring you to extensions. It might look a little different on your Chromebook, but add to Chrome. And then once it's added, it should be quick. Let's see. All right, there we go. So it's added now. Once it's there, click on this and it should make you sign in. And when you sign in, just use your Apps account, okay? Just click sign in with Google and then you can use your school account. And that should be it. The rest should be pretty self-explanatory. It'll just say, show you how to record. There's like introduction videos and showing you all that stuff. Okay? And then after you record the video, it should have an option to share with like a link. So you can send me the link in a Schoology message or an email and then you'll be good. Okay? Hopefully that all made sense. If you need more help, just let me know and I'll go through more details on how to do that with you. Okay? That is all for today, though. Good luck with your presentations. They've been turning out awesome. I've been loving looking through them, the artwork and the presentation. So just keep up the good work. And thank you all for working so hard and being awesome. Bye, everybody.